Kamusta? So, sino yung andito ngayon? Wait lang. Hello, RG. Welcome back. Hello sa 5 nating viewers. Sino yung 5 viewer natin? Good evening! Sino ito? From. Good evening po, sir. So, di ko na alam sino si From. Pahit po ng like button. Si Almario pala. Hello, Almario. Gusto ko siyang ibalik yung kagaya dati na nasa side view lang yung chats nyo. Pero di ko siya nakikita. Wait lang. Itago ang chat. Ipakita ang chat. Hello sa 9 viewers natin. Paano ba yun? Ito. Okay. Okay na. Nasa default view na tayo. Okay. Hello to our 12 viewers. Welcome back. Good evening, Julius. Excited na ba kayo sa ating advanced accounting? Ako, parang ngayon medyo mahirap tayo ngayon. Hello to our 12 viewers. Huwag pong kalimutang mag-like as well as mag-comment po at as well as mag-share na din po ng ating live for tonight. Good evening, Romina. Kamusta, Romina? Ayan, may 16 viewers na tayo. So, let's wait until 5. Nasa mga 5 minutes pa lang, nag-countdown pa tayo. Paskong Pasko na. Hello, Rahina Brito. Good evening. Good evening. Kamusta ka dyan? Ayan, Paskong Pasko na po. Umuulan palagi sa Manila. Di ko alam sa Mindanao at Visayas kung umuulan ba. Pero bare months na, paulan ng ulan. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-share ang ating live today, guys. Tawagin na ang iba upang makahabol pa sila sa ating showdown for advanced accounting. Ayan, may 13 viewers na po tayo. Ayan, 4 na minuto na lang, magsisimula na tayo. Meron kayong makaka-perfect today. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa YouTube page natin, guys. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-share yung blessings. Yan, may 18 viewers na po tayo. Hello, Jessa Balaba. Magandang gabi. Kamusta ka dyan? Sa bahay nyo, kamusta ka dyan, Jessa? Masaya ba si Jessa ngayong araw na ito? Ayan, may 17 viewers na po tayo. Antay-antay lang tayo ng mga 2 minuto. Magandang gabi, Marjorie Pescasiosa. Kumain ka na ba, Marjorie? Sana kumain ka para makasagot ka ng maayos sa advance accounting. Ngayong gabi po, hindi po pipitsugi yung mga tanong natin. Hindi kagaya last time na medyo madali lang. Ngayon po, medyo mahirap-hirap po tayo ngayon kasi advance accounting tayo. Good evening, Nova Eusebio. Magandang gabi. Kamusta ka dyan? Magandang gabi din, Isa Jane Vargas. Kamusta tayo dyan? Masaya ba ang ating Sunday night? Sana naman today merong maka-perfect para makuha ng ating prize in bank. Siyempre, mas masaya pag may prize in yung may makakuha ng prize in bank, di ba? Ayan, ayos na ayos lang daw si Nova. Excited yatang mag-Monday si Nova kasi may klase na bukas. Magandang gabi, Phil Anlo Gilpo. Kamusta ka dyan, Phil? Okay, so we have now approximately 1 minute to start our Wizard Showdown. Magandang gabi din, Robert. Sir, hindi po kasi midterm na po bukas. So malungkot pala si Nova kasi daw midterm. Kaya mo yan, Nova. Kayang-kaya. Pag nag-aaral, kayang-kaya. Normal lang yan mga kaba-kaba, you know. Normal lang yan. Pag hindi ka kinabahan, it means hindi ka normal. Yun. Ganun yun, Mars. Pag hindi ka kinabahan sa exam, hindi ka normal. Okay, so we have now 15 minutes, 15 seconds to go. You're welcome, Nova. Igihan lang po ang ating pag-aaral para po tayo ay pumasa. Okay, so we'll now start our Advanced Accounting Wizard Showdown. So, item number 1, get your calculator. and okay, off ko muna yung tugtog para hindi masyadong disturbing. Okay, EE and FF, PL ratio is 2:3 respectively. EE invested land, cost 25, sold 50. FF invested 30 pesos cash. How much is the capital balance of EE? 130, 260, 350, 425. Hello to our 22 viewers. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe, guys, as well as i-share ang ating live for today. Ayan, so lahat po nakikita ko 3 ang sagot. Confident lahat na 3. Okay, may mga bago akong pangalang nakikita kagaya ni Kenneth Medrano, kaya ni Alexis Manuel, Jenny Bay Bloquias, kagaya ni Chugi. Naku, Chugi, wag lang machugi sa exam, ha? Okay, so ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito sa ating item number 1? So, ang tamang sagot po is number 3, 50 pesos. So, lahat kayo ay tama. Congratulations. Ang gagaling nyo naman. Magaling pala kayo sa partnership formation. Okay, so proceed po tayo sa question number 2. So, PNB holds 500 peso note secured by building of Luigi, which filed bankruptcy. If the property have book value of 600 pesos and fair value of 450 pesos, What is the best way to describe the notes held by PNB? The bank has 1. An unsecured claim of 500 pesos. 2. A secured claim of 500 pesos. 3. Secured claim 450 pesos. Unsecured claim 50 pesos. Secured claim 500 pesos. Unsecured claims 50 pesos. So saan kaya? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Yan, nakikita ko po halos lahat sagot is number 3. Confident silang lahat. Nang sagot is 3. Ayan po. Kumuha lang ako ng tubig kasi inuuhaw ako. Okay, so ang tamang sagot is number 3. Secured claim 450 and unsecured claim 50 pesos. Congratulations, ang galing naman. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Investment in joint operation accounts have a debits of merchandise 23.25, freight in 0.525, purchase 5.25, selling expense 0.6. It also has credits, cash sales 36.9, merchandise 1.815. The joint operation profit or loss is 19.090, 27.275, 325.980, 429.625. From Christian, we late me ha. Good evening, sir. Magandang gabi, Christian. Okay lang yan, nasa item number 3 pa lang tayo. At so far, wala pong nagkakamali sa dalawang item. Si Romina at saka Jason at saka Isaac, Evelyn, Mel ay matatapang. Sila po ay nag-number 1. Okay, so labanan po ng number 3 at saka number 1 ang sagutan dito. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano kaya ang tamang sagot sa joint venture question na ito. Ayan, so sabi ko po sa inyo, hindi po madadali yung mga questions natin ngayon. May hirap po. Okay. So the correct answer is number 1. That is 9.090. Congratulations to our 8 who got the correct answer. Okay, maraming magagaling ngayon. Ayan. Question number 4. A and B acquired 30% of ordinary shares of Z for 300 pesos. In the year end, Z recognized profit of 400 pesos. Z declared and paid dividend of 150 pesos. Also, fair value of investment is 425 pesos. Using the cost model, dividend income of A, 1, nil or 0, 2, 45, 3, 75, 4, 120. Okay, so ano kaya ang share down ng dividend income ni A? Ayan po, halo-halo ang sagot, 1 at saka 4. May matapang pong nag-2 si Jason. Tingnan natin kung tama si Jason. Sobrang tama. Tapang ni Jason. Ang number 2 siya. Siya lang po yung naiba. The rest is 1 and 4. So naglalaban sa nil or 0 tsaka 120 habang si Jason sumagot ng 45. So the correct answer is number 2, that is 45. So only Jason got the correct answer. Congratulations, Jason. May pag-asa ka pang um, may pag-asa ka pang makuha yung perfect. 45 kasi 30% lang. So yung 150 dapat 30% lang doon ang makukuha ni A. Yes. Both si A at saka si B nag-invest ng 30. So all in all, ang dalawa is may 60%. So si A may 30, si B tsaka 30. Installment sales 2019, 1,200. 2020, 1,500. Cash collections from 2019 sales, 2019 400, 2020 500. From 2020 to 2020 yan siya guys ha, from 2020 may payment ng 600. So gross profit on sales, 2019 that is 30%, 2020 40%. The realized gross profit for 2020 is 1,390, 2,240, 3,440, 4,600. Yes, actually by ano, it's equity, pero sabi kasi ng problem using the cost model. 'Yun. So wag po tayong always mag-assume na it's 30% kasi sabi po ng problem using cost model. Okay? So yun po yung hindi nyo po nakita, yung sa last part, sabi po is using cost model. So therefore, meron po silang dividend income. Okay, so the correct answer is number 1, that is 390. So 12 of you got the correct answer. So I hope naintindihan nyo, even though that it's 30%, as long as the problem will ask you using cost model. Okay, so you have to use cost model on that. Question 6. A company should always use the equity method to account for an investment if 1. It has the ability to exercise significant influence over the operating policies. 2. It owns 30% of another company's stock. 3. It has a controlling interest, more than 50% of another company's stock. 4. The investment was made primarily to earn a return on excess cash. Ayan. So, halos lahat po sumagot is number 1. Yan po. So, pag may problems po, pag sinabi ng questions na using, so you have to use ano yung requested na method ni problem. Okay? So, even though the criteria 30% pasok siya as equity kasi di ba pag equity method, wala ka dapat dividend income kasi dapat return of investment pag equity method. But since sabi ng question using cost method, so you have to use the cost method. Okay? That is why it's very important to read questions from time to time. Kasi po pag di po natin binasa yung questions tsaka inintindi, mamamali po ang sagot natin. Okay? So the correct answer is number 1. It has the ability to exercise significant influence over the operating policies. Okay? So all of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. Magagaling. Magagaling. Okay? So question 7. An upstream sale of inventory is a sale, 1. Between subsidiaries owned by a common parent. 2. With the transfer of goods scheduled by contract to occur on a specific feature. 3. In which the goods are physically transported by both from a subsidiary to its parent. Parent yan siya, guys. Number 4. Made by the investee to the investor. Okay, ano daw yung upstream sale? May 20 viewers po tayo. Nag-like pa lang po is 13. Pa-like po ng video natin. Tsaka pa-share na lang din po. Okay, so halos ang sagot is 4 ang nakikita ko. Okay, so ang correct answer po is number 4. So made by the investee to the investor. So all of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. Ang daming magagaling sa advanced accounting dito ha. Okay, so let's proceed to question 8. Which statement is true concerning unrealized profits in intra-entity inventory transfers when an investor uses the equity method? 1. The investee must defer upstream ending inventory profits. 2. The investee must defer upstream beginning inventory profits. 3. The investor must defer downstream beginning inventory profits. 4. The investor must defer downstream ending inventory profits. Ayan. May pa-upstream tsaka downstream na tayo. Isa pala nakikita kong sumasagot. Sagot niya is number 4. May sumagot na ng number 2. May sumagot ng 3. So iba-iba ang sagot natin dito. Yan po. So sino kaya ang tama sa item number 8 natin? Okay, so the correct answer is number 4. The investor must defer downstream ending inventory profits. So 11 of you got the correct answer. Ayan. So let's proceed to question number 9. So which statement is true concerning unrealized profits in intra-entity inventory transfers when an investor uses the equity method? 1. The investor and investee make reciprocal entries to defer unrealized inventory. 2. Different adjustments are made for upstream and downstream transfers. 3. The same adjustments are made for upstream and downstream transfers. 4. No adjustments are necessary. Yan, may sumagot na po. May nag-2 na, may 3, may 2. So iba-iba po ang sagot. Nahihirapan tayo ngayon. May sumagot ng 1. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, guys. So for those who na bago pa lang pumasok dito sa ating YouTube page, so for the next 4 lives is sa YouTube tayo. So the correct answer is number 3. The same adjustments are made for upstream and downstream transfers. So 8 of you got the correct answer. So it means may isa na tayo ngayon. So ang next 3 live natin is sa YouTube pa rin. Okay? Question 10. At the date of an acquisition which is not a bargain purchase, the acquisition method 1. Consolidates the subsidiary's assets and fair value and the liabilities at book value. 2. Consolidates and all subsidiaries' assets and liabilities at book value. 3. Consolidates all subsidiary assets and liabilities at fair value. 4. Consolidates current assets and liabilities at book value, long-term assets and liabilities yan siya guys at fair value. Naputol pala si choices. Ayan, so 3 po ang halos sagot ng lahat. Ayan po. So I know ito yung topics na kinatatakutan sa advanced accounting. Pag dumating na tayo sa mga business combination, acquisitions, Talaga namang mahirap si business com kasi nga complicated lalo na pag merong anong mga ito mga yung inventories, mga intersales. Okay, so the correct answer is number 3. Consolidates all subsidiary assets and liabilities at fair value. So 19 of you got the correct answer. Checo Christian. Okay, question 11. In an acquisition where control is achieved, how would the land accounts of the parent and the land accounts of the subsidiary be combined? So it means dalawa to guys, parent tsaka subsidiary. So one, book value per parent, book value for subsidiary. Two, book value for parent, fair value for subsidiary. Three, fair value for parent, fair value for subsidiary. 4. Fair value for parent, book value for subsidiary. Next topic natin is balik tayo sa business taxation. Tax na naman. Bakit ang dami-dami nagre-request ng tax? Mahirap ba talaga yung tax? Oo nga naman, mahirap yung tax kasi sobrang daming consideration. Hmm. After ng business taxation, ba nangyayari sa notes ko? After ng business taxation, may nag-request na financial accounting specific to liabilities. So it means liabilities tayo after ng business tax. Financial accounting liabilities. So the correct answer is number 2, book value for parent, fair value for subsidiary. So 7 of you got the correct. Anak ko, si Jason, di ko pa nakikitang may mali. Question 12. Lisa Company paid cash for all of the voting common stock of Victoria Corporation. Victoria will continue to exist as a separate corporation. Entries for the consolidation of Lisa and Victoria would be recorded in 1. A worksheet, 2. Lisa's General Journal, 3. Victoria's General Journal, 4. Victoria's Secret Consolidation Journal. Naku! Ay, sayang. Confirm ko nang walang mape-perfect ngayon. Okay, the correct answer is number 1, a worksheet. So only Nicole, Chugi, and Isaac got the correct answer. Remember that Victoria will still continue to exist as a separate corporation. Okay, so wala talagang consolidation na nangyari. Okay, so question 13. Using the acquisition method for a business combination, goodwill is generally defined as 1. Cost of the investment less the subsidiary's book value at the beginning of the year. 2. Cost of the investment less the subsidiary's book value at the acquisition date. 3. Cost of the investment less the subsidiary's fair value at acquisition date. 4. Cost of an investment less the subsidiary's fair value at the beginning of the year. So ano kaya ang sagot sa question 13? Ayan po. So from 22 kanina, naging 18 na lang kayong lahat na viewer. May nahihirapan po siguro kaya umalis na. So, hindi maingay yung kuwan natin ngayon, yung live kasi yung mga dogs, wala tayong mga dogs ngayon, wala akong nakikitang dogs. So the correct answer is number three, cost of the investment less the subsidiary's fair value at the acquisition date. From Christian Afar, one pa lang kami, sir, ha? Okay lang yan. So you still can attend naman kung meron kayo, kung gusto nyong may advanced knowledge kayo about financial accounting, liabilities component. Kasi may nag-request kasi na liabilities component sana ang sunod. Okay, question 14. How are direct and indirect costs accounted for when applying the acquisition method for a business combination? So, this is both for direct cost tsaka indirect cost. So, increase inventory pag direct cost, then decrease APIC pag indirect cost. Number two, i-expense siya pag direct cost, then decrease APIC pag indirect cost. Three, expense pag direct cost, expense din siya pag indirect cost. Four, increase inventory pag direct cost, then expense siya pag indirect cost. Sorry, parang investment pala yung INV. Hindi pala siya inventory. Okay, so the correct answer is number three, expense under direct cost and expense under indirect cost. So 16 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So we will proceed to question number 15. According to GAAP, the pooling of interest method for business combinations, one, is preferred to the purchase method. Two, is allowed for all new acquisitions. Three, is no longer allowed for business combinations after June 30, 2001. Four, is no longer allowed for business combinations after December 31, 2001. Sa kakapasok lang po, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like sa video natin as well as na mag-comment or mag-subscribe po sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, so the correct answer is number three. It's no longer allowed for business combinations after June 30, 2001. So only Christian, Romina, Evelyn, and Regina got the correct answer. So question 16. Acquired in-process research and development is considered as one, a definite-lived asset subject to amortization. Two, a definite-lived asset subject to testing for impairment. Three, an indefinite-lived asset subject to testing for impairment. Four, an indefinite-lived asset subject to amortization. June pala yun na ha. Yes. So, wag mo nang kalimutan, Isaac, na June 2001. Hindi siya December. Mahirap ba, guys? Mahirap ba ngayon yung questions natin? Ayan, matapang po si Richard na number one siya. Okay, so the correct answer is number three, an indefinite lived asset subject to testing for impairment. So only Jason, Chugi, Isaac, Nicole, and Kenneth got the correct answers. Yeah, sabi ko naman sa inyo, medyo mahirap tayo ngayon. So question 17, which of the following is not a reason for a business combination to take place? One, cost savings through elimination of duplicate facilities. Two, quick entry for new and existing products into domestic and foreign markets. Three, diversification of business risks. Four, increase in stock price of the acquired company. Sabi ni Jason tsaka Rihina, mahirap daw. Sabi ni Jessa, hirap sir, trial and error lang po kami. Okay lang yan. So at least while you're doing the trial and error, you still know na mali. Tsaka alam niyo na kung ano yung tamang sagot doon. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe, guys. At may nakikita akong nag-dislike po. Di ko alam kung sino nag-dislike, nag-click ng dislike button. Bakit dislike? Okay, so ang tamang sagot po is increase in stock price of the acquired company. So both Evelyn, Isaac, and Chugi got the correct answer. Congratulations. Di ko po alam kung sino nag-dislike, pero okay lang po yun. Question 18, which of the following statement is true regarding the acquisition method of accounting for a business combination? One, net assets of the acquired company are reported at their fair values. Two, net assets of the acquired company are reported at their book values. Three, any goodwill associated with the acquisition is reported as a development cost. Four, the acquisition can only be effected by a mutual exchange of voting common stocks. Okay lang po yun kung sino nag-dislike, di ko naman po ma-please lahat na mag-like po sa button natin, okay? So maybe yung sobrang mahirap siguro kaya siya nag-dislike or baka hindi pa niya alam kung ano yung business combination. So kung mapapansin niyo po, I concentrated on business combination, which is the considered as the most difficult topics under the advanced accounting. Okay, so halos lahat po sumagot ng 1. Wala po tayong matapang ngayon. Okay, so the correct answer is number 1. So net assets of the acquired company are reported at their fair values. So 17 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So proceed tayo sa question 19. So malapit na pong matapos. Which of the following accounts would not appear in the consolidated financial statements at the end of the first fiscal period of the combination? 1. Investment in subsidiary. 2. Goodwill. 3. Equipment. 4. Common stock. Salamat po sa 51 subscribers natin. Sana po dumami pa po tayo sa YouTube. Kung matatapos ko yung doctoral ko or may break kami ng doctoral, baka makapag-upload ako ng tutorial video sa page natin, sa YouTube page. I hope may vacant time ako after I hope mayroon kaming break after our doctoral degree para naman malagyan ko ng contents yung YouTube page natin. Okay, so halo-halo po ang sagot. May 1 at saka 2. So saan kaya dito yung dapat hindi mag-appear after ng consolidation ng financial statements? Okay, so the correct answer is investment in subsidiary. So 7 of you got the correct answer kasi consolidation na siya. So it means dapat wala na tayong makita mga investments. Question 20, which of the following internal record keeping methods can a parent choose to account for a subsidiary acquired in a business combination? 1, initial value or book value. 2, initial value, equity or partial equity. 3, initial value, lower of cost or market value, or equity. 4, initial value, equity, or book value. Ayan po. So, may sumagot ng 1, 2, at saka 4. So, may sumagot din po ng 3. So, lahat po sinagutan. Tingnan natin kung sino po yung nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Inom lang ako ng tubig kasi inuuhaw po ako. So, the correct answer is number 2, that is initial value, equity, or partial equity. So 15 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So mahirap pong i-predict kung sino po yung mananalo ngayon ng 100 pesos. Question 21. Which one of the following varies between the equity, initial value, and partial equity methods of accounting for an investment? 1, the amount of consolidated net income. 2, the balance in the investment account on the parent's book. 3, total assets on the consolidated balance sheet. 4, total liabilities on the consolidated balance sheet. Ayan, nauna si Marina, sagot niya ay 1. Tamang sagot po is number 2, the balance in the investment account on the parent's book. So 11 of you got the correct answer. So let's move on with our question number 22. So under the partial equity method, the parent recognizes income when 1, dividends are received from the investee. 2, dividends are declared by the investee. 3, it is earned by the subsidiary. 4, the related expense has been incurred. Again, paano daw po yung mga income na i-recognize ni parent under partial equity method? So 1, 2, 3, or 4? Last three questions na lang po, tsaka malalaman natin kung sino yung nanalo today. Okay, so the correct answer po is number 3. It is earned by the subsidiary. So 13 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So let's proceed to question number 23. Push down accounting is concerned with the 1. Impact of the purchase on the subsidiary's financial statements. 2. Recognition of goodwill by the parent. 3. Correct consolidation of the financial statements. 4. Impact of the purchase on the separate financial statements of the parent. Ayan po. So mostly po sumasagot is number 1, pero may sumasagot din po ng 4. So ano kaya sa number 1 tsaka number 4 ang tamang sagot? Okay, so the correct answer is number 1, impact of the purchase on the subsidiary's financial statements. So 15 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So we'll proceed to the second to the last question. Razer Corporation acquired all of the common stock of Tangiers Corporation in 2009. Tangiers maintained its incorporation. Which of Razer's account balances would vary between the equity method and the initial value method? 1. Goodwill, investment in Tangiers Company, and retained earnings. 2. Investment in Tangiers Company, equity and subsidiary earnings, and retained earnings. 3. Expenses, investment in Tangiers Company, and equity and subsidiary earnings. 4. Common stock, goodwill, and investment in Tangiers Company. Okay, so halos lahat po sumagot is 2. Tama kaya kayong lahat? Tingnan natin. Wala pong matapang sa question 24. Okay, so the correct answer is number 2. Investment in Tangiers Company, equity and subsidiary earnings, and retained earnings. So all of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So we are now down to our last question. Okay, question 25. All of the following are acceptable methods to account for a majority-owned investment in subsidiary, except 1. The equity method. 2. The initial value method. 3. The fair value method. 4. The partial equity method. Okay, so the correct answer is the fair value method, number 3. So 19 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. And now we will know kung sino yung dalawang mananalo ng 100 pesos each. Sino kaya? Okay, so we have Isaac and Nicole. Oh my God, comeback ba ito? Nicole tsaka Isaac? So nag-comeback po si Isaac at tsaka si Nicole. Congrats Isaac Bate and Nicole Arena. Comeback po silang dalawa. Nanalo na po sila before at ngayon po mananalo sila ulit. Okay? Congrats again kay Romina at Chugi. Sayang po, hindi po kayo ang napili. Si Nicole po ang napili. Naka-11 pa ko. Ayan ang saya-saya ni RG kasi naka-11 pa siya. Congratulations, Nicole and Isaac. Okay. Umalis pa ako nung question 11. Umalis ka pala ng question 11. Set up ko muna yung for our trivia game. Konting antay lang po for our trivia. Okay. Ang category po natin ngayon, last time po, is nag-science and nature tayo last time. Ngayon naman po, science, computer. Computer tayo ngayon. Okay. Ayan po, pa-verify na lang po if nakikita nyo na ba yung bagong live natin for our trivia game. Ayan. Same. Sabi ni Christian, same. Umalis ka ba, Christian, after nun? Tapos bumalik lang question 21. Ako, sayang naman yung 10 items, RG. Kaya pala 11. Ayan. Thank you, Almario, for confirming. Ayan, nakikita na po yung trivia. Again po, yung rule ng trivia natin is dapat po ma-perfect. So, meron na po tayong, magkano na ba yung price in bank natin sa trivia? Let me check again. So, for trivia, meron tayong price in bank na 250. Okay? So, pag wala pang naka-perfect ng trivia ngayon, magiging 300 na siya for the next live natin. Naku naman, pataas ng pataas. So, yung accounting, since wala pang naka-perfect, so 700 na siya next live. Nakakatakot na ha, kayo ha, nakakatakot. Baka naman pag dumating ito ng 10,000, doon na kayo mag-aano, doon na kayo magsiseryosong ipi-perfect. Sabi ni Christian, hindi po, same po sa 11 points. One of the weakest ko po ang AFAR. Mahirap pala talaga yung AFAR, ano. Actually, yung iba talaga nahihirapan sa advanced accounting kasi it's procedural. Tapos pag wala kang patience sa advanced accounting, talagang hindi ka magso-survive for advanced accounting. Kaya nga sabi ko kay RG kayo na sa GC, it's very important na kumpletuhin mo yung proseso kasi pag nagso-shortcut ka, usually hindi mo naintindihan kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa problems, yung mga ganon. So kaya sanayin niyo na yung sarili niyo na talagang procedural yung paggawa niyo sa advanced accounting kasi makakatulong talaga yon. Okay, so question number 1. When Gmail first launched, how much storage did it provide for your email? 1. 512 MB. 2. 1 gigabyte. 3. 5 gigabyte. 4. Unlimited. Jessa Balaba, pa-add po sa GC. RG, baka pwede mong i-add si Jessa Balaba. Mhm. Jessa, si M kasi yung ano, yung gumagawa ng ano, ng ating page. So, wala kasi si M ngayon, baka busy sa kanyang beauty queen career. Ayan. So, halos lahat 2 ang sagot. 1 gigabyte. Okay, so all of you got the correct answer. The correct answer is 1 gigabyte. Ayan. Marami naman palang magaling eh. Okay, so let's proceed to question number 2. Okay, which computer hardware device provides an interface for all other connected devices to communicate? 1. Central processing unit. 2. Motherboard. 3. Hard disk drive. 4. Random access memory. Sabi daw ni si Regina, pa-add din po sa GC, thank you. Pa-chat niyo po si RG, baka matulungan kayo ni RG Emplamado na ma-add sa GC natin. Parang ngayon ko lang 'tong nakita si Prime Brian Suwaan. Natatawa talaga ako every time na nababasa ko yung pangalan ni Chugi. Ikaw talaga Chugi. Di ko alam kung bakit Chugi yung pinangalan mo sa YouTube mo. Okay, so the correct answer is number 2, that is motherboard. So 13 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. Sabi ni Prime, yes po, nahuli kasi ako kanina. Haha, okay lang yan. Pwede namang humabol. So question 3, in the programming language, Python, which of these statement would display the string hello world correctly? 1. Console.log, open parenthesis, then apostrophe, hello world, apostrophe, closing parenthesis. 2. Print, open and close parenthesis, hello world. 3. Echo, hello world. Print F, open and close parenthesis, hello world. So saan daw dito yung correct statement na mag-display ng hello world correctly sa Python programming? O 'di ba? Akala nyo accounting lang lahat ito, hindi ano? Okay, so the correct answer is number 2, print hello world. So 10 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So we will now proceed to question number 4. In CSS, which of these values cannot be used with a position property? 1. Static. 2. Absolute. 3. Center. 4. Relative. Okay, so the correct answer is number 3, that is center. So, Ondi Isaac, Chugi, Jenna Babe, Laika, and Regina got the correct answer. Congratulations. So, we will now proceed to question number 5. Okay, which data structure does philo apply to? 1. Queue, 2. Heap, 3. Tree, 4. Stack. Yan, nasa kalahating tanong na po tayo. Okay, the correct answer is number 4. That is tax. So all of you got the correct answer. Galing naman. Okay, so let's proceed to our question number 6. What does the term GPU stand for? 1. Gaming processor unit. 2. Graphite producing unit. 3. Graphical proprietary unit. 4. Graphics processing unit. Okay, so the correct answer is number 4, graphics processing unit. So 14 of you or all of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. Galing nyo naman. Okay, so the next question is, this mobile OS held the largest market share in 2012. 1. Android, 2. BlackBerry, 3. Symbian, 4. iOS. Okay, so the correct answer is number 4, iOS. So 7 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. So we'll now proceed to question number 8. Okay, so the name of technology company HP stands for what? 1. Howard Packman. 2. Hewlett Packard. 3. Posker Polosk. 4. Hellman Paul. Okay, so the correct answer is number two. That is Hewlett Packard. So all of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. Okay, so let's proceed to the second to the last. How many bits make up the significant portion of a single precision floating point number? 1/8, 253, 323, 415. Okay, so the correct answer is number three. That is 23. So all of you got the correct answer. Naku, parang feel ko may makaka-perfect yata. Na one for all for one daw, sabi ni Prime. Okay, so let's move on to the last question. What language does Node.js use? 1 Java, 2 Java source, 3 JavaScript, 4 Joomla source code. Sabi ni Nicole, tamang gaya na lang. Gaya-gaya na lang kung ano yung sagot ng iba, sagot nyo na din. Okay, so the correct answer is number 3 is JavaScript. So all of you got the correct answer. Again, kung sino yung number 1 na perfect, siya po yung makakatanggap ng 250 pesos. Ayan, nagko-compute na po si system. Sino kaya ang ating winner? Ayan, congratulations to Laika Castillo. Andito ba si Laika? Hello, Laika. Yan, congratulations, Laika. Sayang na sayang, Isaac and Chugi. Right, sayang. Congrats, Laika Castillo. You won 250 pesos today for our trivia portion. Congratulations. So it means next week, balik po tayo sa 50 pesos for our portion, for this portion. Let's congratulate Laika Castillo for winning 250 pesos. Okay lang, o di ba? Pag nagtutulungan kayo, tingnan nyo, may nakaka-perfect. Sayang, di nyo pinaabot ng 10,000. Charot. Sabi ni Bernardo, hindi nag-notif sa FB. Sir, kailan po next? Baka ang next is next week, Thursday. Noel Balcorta. Okay, thank you guys. Congratulations again sa winners for today's activity. Congrats again. Congrats Laika for winning 250 pesos. Chat ka lang po. Sino nga yung nanalo kanina sa ano? Sa ating accounting? We have Nicole as well as sino nga yung isa nanalo? Si Isaac ba yun? Oo, kasi pag sa YouTube kasi tayo hindi siya nagno-notify pag nag-live tayo sa YouTube. Kaya kailangan mong mag-subscribe sa YouTube tsaka hit mo yung notification bell para pag nag-live sa YouTube, maano ka din, ma-notify ka din ng ano. Sir, kailan po next? Again, next Thursday po, yung next live natin. Again, congratulations Laika Castillo. Yes, so si Isaac nga. So si Isaac, nanalo din si Isaac ng 100, tsaka si Nicole nanalo pa din ng 100. Yes, congratulations. Okay, guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa live natin tonight. So, see you or kita-kita po tayo next week by Thursday for our next topic. Our next topic is, again, babalik po tayo sa business taxation. Okay. Thank you guys. Congratulations sa winners. Bye-bye. Good night. Have a happy Sunday.